Hello and welcome back to Rolling the Robsons. Today we're going to move on to a new site. We're going to move on to another CL in Hemsby. But we've got a bit of a challenge on our hands already. It hasn't been the best weather while we've been here, which is, that's kind of something we can cope with. But last night it absolutely lashed it down. There was several times where I got woken up by the amount of rain that was hitting the top of the roof. And that meant that an already wet pitch is now extremely sodden. So our challenge will be to try and get the big twin axle, which, as you know, I've got a bit of a reputation for churning the grass a bit more, off the pitch. So we're going to see if we can do that. So to give you a little bit of an indication of how wet it's been recently, this here is the drain for the water. Even when it's been pretty bad rain, the drain for the water has coped incredibly well. But the amount of water that came down last night, no way. So I think for this one we're going to have a locked differential to try and get off here, to try and give all power to all four wheels at the same time to see if we can get off. Now we're only an hour away, but this will be a real big challenge for the big Kia to try and get this off a really soaking wet grass pitch. Right, I think we'll need diff lock on. Let's have a go at this. And welcome back to Rolling the Robsons. Today we've moved on to Hemsby. We've moved to a CL and we'll show that in a little bit. But for our first day here, as you can tell, normally here in Norfolk, it is cloudy and windy. But we're still getting the beach for a bit. See how long we last. Really nice beach here, beautiful sand in Winnerton. So if you're in the area and you get nice weather, by all means come up and have a look. So we'll explore a little bit around here and we'll see if we can get into the waves a little bit. It is a bit choppy, so I've decided not to let the girls bring their bodyboards in case they get pulled out a little bit, but let's have a little explore around the area of Hemsby. Now some nutters on beach that sit in the wave. It's choppy here. Oh, it's cold. It's a bit wet. Good morning, another day here with Rolling the Robsons in Norfolk and Hemsby, and today, which is our second last day of our big tour, we're going to take a venture into Great Yarmouth. So Great Yarmouth is kind of a big town, it's quite a big city around here, very seaside town. So we've said to the girls that they can spend some money, and Lucy will probably spend some money, so by the end of the day I might be a little bit queasy. But that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go into Great Yarmouth, have a look around, have a look at the beach, take you with us on our journeys as per usual. Remember, if you're getting some value from this, we'd appreciate the amount of time it takes, and if you could just smash the like button, and that all helps get our message out to more people on YouTube. So we are now here in Great Yarmouth. We're just next to Welton Pier. We did try to go in the first car park and it was a bit low. So if you've got a roof box on top of your car, you might have to park on the kind of main road in front of all the main amusements and all that kind of thing. Kind of reminds me at first impression, very, very nice, look, very lucrative area, but a little bit of a posh version of Blackpool at the moment. But so we're going to have a look around. The girls want to buy some useful items. It'll probably be some kind of tack, but yeah, have a look around. Oh, some nice things for me. Might go on that a little bit later, might see how much it costs, but that's a big wheel. So if you come opposite the main pier is where the main shopping area is, so the girls' little eyes lit up. Mine kind of, not quite sure about this. But we're just walking down the main street here. Lots of shops, obviously everywhere. The girls will find a couple of presents for their grandparents and other people who've been doing a lot of things for us recently. But yeah, this could be good fun for them and for me. But we'll see. Oh, they've disappeared already. I have to go and find them. Poundland, hopefully it's a bit cheaper. I wonder how much things are in here. So we've now moved on from the town centre itself to the beach. Now this is particularly why Great Yarmouth has so much around it, because the beach is pretty sandy, given for Norfolk or down south. There's actually pretty sandy beach here, and obviously it goes on for a vast amount of time. I can see the end of the beach there as the sea, but it does go up for quite a while. And also obviously a lot of amusements are said around here. But for a nice beautiful day, just wish we'd had weather like this every single day, while we would have been absolutely stunning to come to the beach every day. But we're going to enjoy the beach for a little bit, and then we're going to get back to the caravan. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Today we're going to go on our biggest adventure so far in our time in Norfolk, so you want to stay for that. Now, soon we're going to go out for lunch, which our first time being away with Side Adventure, we should go away for lunch. But there's also another surprise that the girls won't even know about yet. So come and join us and see what that surprise is. So excited today. It's going to be a really good day.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down,